Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English, where learning English is simple, practical, and fun.
Hi, everyone. It's so great to see you again. Today's lesson is very useful for daily life.
Yes, today we are talking about something everyone does every day.
Your daily routine.
Exactly! By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk about your daily routine clearly and confidently in English.
We will use simple sentences, real-life situations, and lots of practice.
So, relax, get ready, and let's begin.
So, Lucas, can I ask you something?
Of course.
What do you usually do in your daily routine?
Oh, good question. My day is quite busy, but I like it.
Really? Tell me more.
Okay, I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I try to wake up early because I want to have a productive day.
I usually wake up at 8.
That's okay. Everyone is different.
What do you do after you wake up?
First, I get out of bed and make my bed.
You make your bed every day?
Yes, it helps me feel organized.
That's a good habit.
Then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same here.
After that, I drink a glass of water.
Why?
It helps my body wake up.
That's interesting.
Then I do a little exercise, like stretching or light jogging.
I don't exercise in the morning. I feel too tired.
I understand. At first, it's hard, but later, it feels great.
Maybe I should try.
Yes, start small. Let's learn some important words.
Yes.
Wake up means to stop sleeping.
Wake up. Okay.
Get out of bed means you leave your bed.
Simple.
Brush your teeth means to clean your teeth.
We do that every day.
Exercise means physical activity like running or stretching.
Good for health.
Routine means things you do every day.
Daily routine. I like that word.
What do you do after exercise?
I take a shower.
Cold or hot?
Usually warm.
Good choice.
Then I get dressed.
Get dressed means to put on clothes, right?
Exactly. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs, bread, and drink coffee.
Sounds delicious.
What about you?
I usually drink tea and eat bread.
Nice and simple.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I go to work.
How do you go?
I take the bus.
Is it crowded?
Yes, sometimes it's very crowded.
That sounds stressful.
Yes, but I listen to music. It helps me relax. Let's practice useful sentences.
Repeat after us.
I wake up at.
Your turn.
I brush my teeth.
Repeat.
I take a shower.
Again.
I have breakfast.
Good.
I go to work. Perfect. These sentences are very important.
Use them every day. Lucas, what do you do at work?
I start work at 9 a.m.
What do you do first?
I check my emails.
That's important.
Then I attend meetings.
Do you like meetings?
Not always. Sometimes they are boring.
I understand.
Then I work on my tasks.
Are you busy all day?
Yes, usually.
Do you take a break?
Yes, I take a lunch break at 1 p.m.
What do you eat?
Sometimes rice, sometimes sandwiches.
Do you talk with coworkers?
Yes, we talk and laugh.
That's nice. Lucas, I want to share something.
Sure.
Before, my daily routine was very messy.
Really?
Yes, I woke up late, I skipped breakfast, and I felt tired all day.
That sounds difficult.
I was always stressed. I had no energy.
What changed?
One day, I decided to change my routine.
That's a big step.
I started waking up earlier. At first, it was very hard.
I can imagine.
But slowly, I improved. I started eating breakfast, I planned my day.
That's great.
Now, I feel more happy and relaxed.
Your routine changed your life.
Yes, small habits make a big difference.
Let's talk about evening routine.
Yes.
After work, I go home.
What do you do at home?
First, I relax.
Very important.
Then I have dinner.
What do you eat?
Something light, like vegetables or soup.
Healthy choice.
After dinner, I sometimes watch TV or read a book.
I like watching movies.
That's fun.
Do you use your phone a lot?
Yes, maybe too much.
Same here.
Then I prepare for the next day.
Like what?
I plan my tasks and prepare my clothes.
That's smart.
Finally, I go to bed at 10:30.
That's early.
I need good sleep
Why is a daily routine important?
because it gives structure to your life.
Structure?
Yes, it helps you stay organized.
That makes sense.
It also reduces stress.
I agree.
When you know what to do, you feel calm.
I feel more confident with a good routine.
Exactly.
But sometimes I feel lazy.
That's normal.
What should I do?
Start small. Don't change everything at once.
That's a good idea.
Be patient with yourself.
I will try.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, speak with us.
I wake up at,
Say your time.
I have breakfast at,
Your turn.
I go to work/school at,
Say it.
in the evening, I,
Finish the sentence.
great job.
Keep practicing every day.
Let's review.
Morning routine. Wake up, brush teeth, breakfast.
Work routine, work, meetings, lunch.
Evening routine. Relax, dinner, sleep.
Use simple sentences.
Speak clearly and slowly.
Practice every day.
Here's a bonus tip. Very useful.
Write your daily routine in a notebook.
Yes, writing helps memory.
Then speak it out loud.
Practice speaking every day.
Even 5 minutes is enough.
That's all for today's lesson.
We hope you enjoyed it.
If you liked this video, please like it.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
And write your daily routine in the comments.
We want to read it.
Keep learning.
Keep practicing.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.